Today, we're talking about something every outdoor enthusiast needs: a reliable camping cooking set. I've got the Camping Cookware Travel Tableware Outdoor Picnic Set right here, and it's perfect for 2 to 3 people. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying a picnic, this set has everything you need to cook up a storm in the great outdoors. Let's dive in. We've got a large pot with a lid, a frying pan, a teapot, and a handy mesh storage bag to keep everything organized. The set comes in 2 color options, black and orange, and it's made from high-grade hard aluminum oxide, which makes it lightweight yet super durable. Look at how compact and well-designed this is. The large pot is 173 millimeters in diameter, the frying pan is 180 millimeters, and the teapot can hold up to 800 milliliters of water. Everything fits neatly into the mesh bag, making it super portable for your outdoor adventures. Now, let's talk about the features that make this set stand out. Non-stick coating makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. Lightweight design. The large pot weighs just 300 grams, the frying pan is 160 grams, and the teapot is 160 grams. Perfect for carrying on hikes. Insulated handles, made of heat-resistant plastic so you won't burn your hands while cooking. Compact and foldable. Saves space and fits easily into your backpack. Whether you're boiling water, frying up some eggs, or making a hearty stew, this set has you covered. The high-grade aluminum material heats up quickly and evenly so you don't have to wait long to start cooking. Wow, the non-stick surface works like a charm. No sticking, no burning, and cleanup is a breeze. The handles stay cool to the touch even when the pots are hot, which is a huge plus. And the teapot? It's perfect for making coffee or tea while enjoying the outdoors. Alright, let's break it down. Here's what I love about this camping cooking set. Pros: lightweight and portable. Perfect for camping and hiking. Non-stick coating makes cooking and cleaning easy. Durable and heat-resistant materials. Great value for a complete set. Cons: the set is designed for 2 to 3 people, so it might be a bit small for larger groups. The non-stick coating may wear over time with heavy use. But overall, this set is a fantastic choice for outdoor cooking. So, is this camping cooking set worth it? Absolutely. It's lightweight, durable, and has everything you need to cook delicious meals outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying a picnic, this set is a must-have for your next adventure. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to grab your own set. And if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome outdoor gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.